Hello, hello, good, good evening, Mr. Technohacks team. I'm Vinod. My batch number. My name is Vinod Kulkarni, and I'm from a student. My batch name is 84. So I am taking this second random guess. I'm taking the second random guess as I'm taking the second random guess. Sorry, I'm taking the second task of I'm taking the second task of completing the assessment. I'm taking the second task of completing the assessment. Completing the assessment. I'm taking the second class of the completing the assessment. So my this assessment comes from that this assessment comes that it is just guessing a number, uh, number guessing game, where the computer takes a random guess, where the computer takes a random guess as where the computer takes a random guess takes a random guess as where the computer takes a random guess as a number. So the user has to input the number until and unless he guess the numbers which has taken as a secret number by that computer. So here we can see the Python program. Here we can see the Python program. So it is firstly we are importing the random, and we are looping the define function. Inside the define function we are writing the program. Here I have written the define function, and here I have written the typing program. Firstly we need to type the print. Print welcome to the welcome to the number guessing game, and we have to print that I'm thinking of a number between 1 to 100. Secret number equal to random. Secret number equal to secret number equal to random dot random unit in random integer of 1 to 100. So attempts are 0. So firstly it will take the input from the user. So we are executing the while loop, executing the while loop. While the attempts are 0, we are executing the while loop, and we are executing the try loop. We have to take the one guess one integer. We have to guess one integer. Guess equal to integer input, enter the number. This input has been should be given by the user. So next attempts equal to count of +1. So as many time as the user enters the input, the attempts are being taken. So so once the user enters the inputs, then the pointer enters the if loop. If the user input guess is less than the secret number, then it displays on the screens that the uh, entered input is too low. Please try again. If the user inputs the input which is greater than the secret number, then we are again using this we are again using this else if loop. We are again using this else if loop the secret number. Then it prints that if the number entered by the user if the number entered by the user is higher than the uh, secret number then it prints as too high to try again, prints as too high to try again. Else print when the user enters the correct input as a secret number of that when the user enters the correct number when the user enters the correct number as that of the when the user enters the correct number as that of the um, as that of when the user enters the correct number when the user enters the correct number as that of a secret number of the computer, then this else loop is executed. If the entered user enter if the number entered by the user matches the secret number which has been taken by the computer, then it displays on the screens that congratulations, you guessed the number. And in the dash attempts, it counts the attempts. It counts the attempts. Then it breaks the loop. It breaks the loops. If the user has given an invalid input, except value error, then it displays on the screen that the given input is invalid. Please enter an integer. Please enter an integer. And for this define function on the line 28, on the line 28, we are closing this define function using the number guessing game. See, here we have defined the number guessing game, and we are defining the function in the line 3. In the line 3 we are defining the function, and in the line 27, in the line 28, in the line 28 we are in the line 20 in the line 3 we are defining the function, and in the line 28 we are what in the line 3 we are in the line 3 we are defining the number game. So in the line 4 we say that print welcome to the number guessing game. It will be displayed on the screen, and in the line 5 it will be displayed as I'm thinking a number between a number of 1 to 100. So the computer will take a random number as from in the range of 1 to 100, and it keeps as a secret number. So in the line 8 we are giving a comment in the line 7, and in the line 8 we are taking it as a separate number. Separate number is equals to random of the integer 1 to 100. So attempt equal to 0, while true loop is executed, try we'll take in will while true loop is executed, we'll take a try and we'll guess the integer input. Enter integer input, enter your guess. So and it counts the counts the attempts given by the number. Then the user starts entering the input in the 14th and 15th line. As it is displayed integer input, enter the guess. The user starts entering the number. If the user enters the number which is less than that of the separate number taken by the computer, then it displays on the screen that print too low, try again, which is displayed in the 18th line. If the user in the 19th line, else if guess secret number, if the print is too high, then it prints as a, if the else is print high, else if the guess is a secret number, it in the 19th line, else if the guess is greater than the secret number, means the entered number by the user is greater than that of a secret number, then it displays that the too high, please try again. Then when the user inputs the correct number, this else loop is executed. When the entered input by the user matches the entered input by the user matches the secret number taken by the computer, then it displays on the screen that congratulations, you guessed the correct number in this attempt. So this except value is occurred. So it prints that the invalid input, please enter an integer. So for all the rest of the values, if the user what he does, if the user enters invalid input, then it prints on the screen that print invalid input, please enter the integer once again. It enters, and in the line 27 we are just giving a comment using the hash that start the game, and here in the line 28 we are closing the calling function. We are adding the calling function which we have defined in up above. For the third line, as we have seen, we are defining a function, and the same function has been called in the line 28 until and unless the calling function is added to this program, it will not run as it is desired. So let us run this program once. Let us run this program. So firstly we have to guess a number. So here so the computer has taken system has taken one random number as a separate number. See, I have entered 25. It is taken as too low. I have entered 25. It is taken as too low. 28. It has taken as too low. I will enter 40. Still it is taken as too low. I am entering 50. It has taken as too high. So means the random number or a separate number integer lies between 40 and 50. So I will take a 45. it is too low, it is saying that too low. So 47, when I entered the number 47, so my entered user matched with the secret number which has been taken by computer. So it got printed on the screen that congratulations, you guessed the number in the 7 attempts, so you guessed the number in the 7 attempts. So this is a way how this program works, number guessing game. So this was the second task which was given to me by the Technohacks. So I'm successfully completing this second task and uploading the same video in the YouTube and sharing the link in the submission form as asked. So thank you, thank you, one and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.